Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can delete an app in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. So to delete an app in your PC or laptop, the first step is to go to your Windows search bar. Once you're on the search bar, next, go and search settings. And after searching, you can now open your settings. And once you're on settings, next, go to apps section. Then go to installed apps. Then right here, just find the app that you want to delete. You can find it by either scrolling down or just by simply searching the name of the app right here. And once you've found the app, you can now start deleting it. So let's say that this is the app that you want to delete, for example. So to do it, tap the three dots in the corner. Then click uninstall. And after that, the deleting process will start. Just wait for it to finish. After waiting, once you've seen the app disappear right here, that means it was already deleted. You can now close this. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you have now successfully deleted the app. And so that's just how you delete an app from your PC or laptop, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. So that's all, guys. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.